Hello dear students, today we are going to start our new practice set 1.2. Okay, practice set 1.2 it is depend on types of set. In the last video we learned that types of set, that is first one is empty set, singleton set, infinite set, finite set and equal sets. Okay, there are 5 types of there and we have to take also solve example. Okay, so let's see practice set 1.2. So let's take first example. Decide which of the following are equal set and which are not. Okay, and justify your answer. Let's see, first we have to write the sets here. So question number 1 is here. Okay, that we have to take first one, that is A. Set A is a x, or that is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now in that question I have not write the full question, so it is right answer. Okay, it is right in the answer. A, set A is a set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and also B also and C also, all sets are given in the rule method. Okay, or set builder form. First we convert into the listing method. Okay, so we have to solve this. 3x minus 1 condition is given, 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 1 goes there, so becomes plus 1, that is 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore 3x is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1. Means listing method of set A is 1. Okay, listing method of set A is 1. Okay, this one is your equation number 1 or first set. Second set, that is B. Set B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is a neither prime nor composite. Okay, so it is correct now. Okay, sorry, x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Now there is only single number is there, it is not prime as well as composite number. Okay, so we write first all things out here. So it is basic question. One number is not prime, also not composite. Okay, remaining numbers are, some numbers are prime, some numbers are composite is there. So only one is not prime as well as not composite number. So B is equal to 1, equation number 2. Okay, let's see. Next, C. C is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 2. Okay, so condition is what? X is a natural number. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. But value of x is a less than 2. So here only one natural number is there. That is C is equal to 1. Because after 1, 2 comes. But value of x is less than 2. That's why we have to take C is equal to 1. That's why equation number 3. Okay. So from equation 1, 2 and C, 1, 1 and 1 means all elements are present. A same are there, therefore from first, second and third, A is equal to B is equal to C. That is set A and set B and set C are equal to each other. Okay, so that's why it is only enough. Decide which of the following are equal set or which are not. But all sets are equal set, so our answer is finish. Okay, write down it. Then we have to start question number 2. Okay, we take here question number 2. Continue. Decide whether set A and set B are equal set. Give reason for your answer. Okay, A is even prime number. Okay, in that case A is equal to even prime number. Okay, so A is equal to 2 is only even prime number is there. 2 is only even prime number. Remaining are odd prime numbers are there. Only 2 is even prime number. Let's see next one. B is equal to, okay, this one is your equation number 1. B is equal to in curly bracket x, that is 7x minus 1 is equal to 30. Okay, there is one equation is there. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. We have to solve. Minus 1 goes there to becomes plus 1. That is 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. Therefore, 7x is equal to 14. 7 in multiplication. It goes in division. Therefore, x is equal to 14 upon 7. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, set B is equal to also 2. Okay, this one is your equation number 2nd. So from equation 1 and 2 we write that. Let's see how to write. The elements of set A and set B are same. Okay, therefore A is equal to B. It is enough only A is equal to B. Okay, same type question is there, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, it is given in rule method form. First we have to convert into listing method, then we decide all elements. Here 1, here 1, 1. That's why all elements are same. Therefore set A, B, C are equal, same as it is. Even prime number, that is 2 is only even prime number. Then B is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2, that is set B is equal to 2. Okay, so let's see next example, that is question number 3. Which of the following are empty set and why? Okay, question number 3. Let's see first one, that is A, set of A, all of A is natural number smaller than 0. Okay, A is a natural number smaller than 0, but natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there is no natural number smaller than 0. Okay, so we have to write here in answer, there is no natural number smaller than 0. Okay, therefore set A is equal to empty set. Okay, set A is a empty set or phi. Okay, understand? There is only no smaller natural numbers are there less than 0, because natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite, means less than 0 there is no number is there. That's why A is a set A is a empty set. Therefore set A is empty set. Okay, let's see second one. In that sub question is there. This one is first, then second. B is equal to set of all x such that x square is equal to 0. Okay, first we have to solve here, that is x square is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 0, therefore B is equal to 0, and there only one element is there, so it is singleton element. Okay, that's why set B is a not empty set. Therefore we are right here, set B is not empty set. Okay, there is 0 means there is single element is there, that's why set B is a empty set. Let's see question number, okay, that third question. C is equal to set of x of 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, but value of x is a natural number. Okay, value of x is a natural number. There is one equation is there, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x as it is, minus 2 goes there, it becomes plus 2. Okay, therefore x is equal to 2 upon 5. Okay, but 2 upon 5 is a not element of natural number, but 2 upon 5 is not an element. Okay, not an element of natural number. Therefore C is equal to empty set or phi. Okay, or phi. Understand? Okay, no doubt value of x is 2 upon 5, but 2 upon 5 is a not natural number. Here condition is given, x is a natural number, so 2 upon 5 is not a natural number. Therefore C is an empty set or phi. Therefore set C is empty set. Okay, set C is an empty set. Okay, let's see question number 4. Write the reason which of the following set are finite or infinite. It is simple. Finite means limited, and infinite means not limited or not countable. Okay, infinite, that is not countable. Let's see first one. A is a set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. Okay, let's see. First, it is in the rule method. We have to write in the listing form, that is a is equal to, okay, value of x is a natural number. So natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We not take 10 because value of x is less than 10. Okay, that's why we have to write here 9. So they are countable number. Therefore, reason is not there. Write with the reason. Okay. So elements are countable. Elements of set A are countable and limited. Okay, countable and limited. Therefore, set A is finite set. Set A is a finite set. Next one, B, that is y such that y is less than -1. Y is an integer. Okay, integers are means on the 0 right side there is positive, left side is negative. So it is less than -1. So that is B is equal to -2, -3, -4, -5 up to so on. Okay, so left side there is negative integers are there na. So integers are right like that, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, on the left side there is infinite negative integers, on the right side of 0 there is infinite positive integers are there. So less than -1. So less than -1 means -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 up to so on. So it is infinite set. Therefore, elements of set B are not countable and not limited. असं लिहायचं आहे. Okay, we have to write here elements of set B are not countable and not limited. Therefore, set B is infinite set. Okay, let's see next one. Question number C. C, set of students of class 9 from your school. It is orally. Okay, in that 9th standard there are limited students are there now, 50, 60, whatever, they are limited and countable also. Therefore, set C is a finite set. Next one, set of people from your village. Okay, they are also countable. Okay, we count it na, means 10 lakhs, 60, 10,000, 50,000, it is depend on village. So they are also finite set. Set of apparatus in your laboratory, they are also countable. Okay, sometimes suppose big laboratories, it is depend on laboratory also. Suppose small laboratory, then that countable. If there is big laboratory, so sometimes there is difficulties there. So let's see, we in back page there is given 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it is countable. Let's see, set of whole number. Whole number means it is infinite because it is standard 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. How to write? Question number 6, that is suppose whole number. So W, that is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. So it is uncountable. So it is infinite set. And last one, set of rational number. It is also infinite set. Okay, this way we have to complete our practice set 1.2. Last few example we not written on the board, so you have to write yourself. It is simple one. Okay, so this way we have to stop here practice set 1.2. So homework means you have to copy down as it is only. Okay, in next video we have to start our new point, that is Venn diagram. So today we stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.